Congratulations on bringing home your Daytona 4-burner gas griddle, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your grill, please refer to your instruction manual to make sure all of the grill's parts are included. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly, which is not included with the grill. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly, simply call the customer service number on your screen. Now let's dig in. We'll begin by assembling your griddle's firebox. Flip it upside down and mount the left and right trim pieces on each side of the firebox by loosening the pre-assembled screws seen here, sliding the trim piece into place, and then retightening the pre-assembled screws. Now, repeat this process to attach the front trim piece. Next, attach the left front cart leg to the firebox using 4 A-screws. Then, attach the left rear cart leg with 3 A-screws. Now that the left cart legs are secure, attach the right cart legs in the same way. Use 4 A-screws in the right front cart leg and 3 A-screws in the right rear cart leg. Next, find your griddle's bottom panel, slide it into place like so, and secure it to the rest of the cart using 8 C-screws, 2 screws into each cart leg. Then, grab the 2 swivel casters and twist them to the right until they are securely seated into the right cart legs. Now, grab the left bottom cart frame and secure it to the left legs with 4 A-screws, 2 into each leg. Now repeat this process to secure the right bottom cart frame. Next, attach the grease cup bracket beneath the firebox, seen here. Use 2 B-screws to secure the bracket. Once the bracket is secure, simply slide the grease cup into its bracket, like so. Now, find your griddle's grease funnel and position it at the back left-hand corner of the firebox. Secure the funnel in place using a single B-screw. With your cart in place, now it's time to affix the griddle plate on top. This step requires 2 people. Carefully lift the griddle plate and place it on top of the cart, carefully guiding its hooks into the inserts found on the firebox. Next, we'll assemble your griddle's lid. Start by finding the lid handle and removing the 2 pre-assembled screws found at each end. Then position the handle over the holes found on the front lip of the lid and secure it in place by reinstalling the screws from the other side. Now, we'll attach your griddle's lid hinges. Align one side of each hinge with the holes found on the outside lip of the lid. Attach the larger hinge to the hole that's closest to the lid handle. Use a C screw into a D washer, E locking washer, and F nut, tightening with your adjustable wrench. Repeat this step for all 4 hinges. This next step requires 2 people. With the help of a friend, position the lid over your griddle's firebox like so. Holding this position, attach the other end of each hinge to the griddle plate using a C screw and D washer from the outside of the griddle plate into an additional D washer, E locking washer, and F nut. Once again, tightening with an adjustable wrench. Then, attach the tank bracket to your griddle's cart using 1 A-screw. Just above the tank bracket goes the tank wire. Simply insert each end into the holes found on your left cart legs. Next, secure the towel rack bracket to the front right cart leg with 2 B-screws. Then, secure the towel rack to the towel rack bracket using 1 I-nut. Now grab the 2 left side shelf brackets and fasten them to each side of the left-hand trim piece with 4 A-screws each. Repeat this process on the right-hand side. Now, attach the side shelves by hooking them onto the brackets, like so. Next, find your griddle's burner knobs and simply press them into place. After that, remove the cap and nut from the igniter module and insert the module through the hole located on the right side of your griddle's control panel. Insert a AA battery, negative end first. Then replace the nut and cap to secure the module in place. Now, grab your liquid propane tank and slide it up under the tank wire and onto the bracket below. Finally, attach the LP regulator to your liquid propane tank. Your Daytona 4-burner gas griddle is now fully assembled and ready for use. Happy griddling!